In today's video, I'll show you how to contact Klaviyo support quickly and effectively. Whether you have a small question or a complex issue, knowing how to reach them is crucial. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account and going to the Klaviyo homepage. In the top right corner, click Support. You'll see several help options, but the two most useful are the virtual assistant and email support. For the virtual assistant, a chat box will appear where you can ask questions in real time. This is perfect for quick issues that need immediate answers. Be clear and concise to get help faster. If your issue is more complex, select email support. Choose the category that matches your problem, describe the issue in detail, and submit your request. You can also upload screenshots or supporting files to help the support team understand your problem better. Once you've submitted your request, Klaviyo's support team will review it and get back to you. Whether you use chat for instant help or email for detailed support, these steps ensure you communicate efficiently with Klaviyo. That's it. You're now ready to get the assistance you need. Thanks for watching and happy troubleshooting with Klaviyo.